energy saving. Use this function to enable or disable energy saving. When enabled, the function reduces energy consumption in compliance with European regulations. To disable or enable energy saving, proceed as follows. Press the menu icon to enter the menu. Press the icon relative to one of the scrolling arrows until energy saving is displayed. Press the OK icon. Disable is displayed, or Enable if the function has been disabled. Press the OK icon to disable or enable energy saving mode. Press the ESC icon to exit the menu. When the function is active, if the machine is not used for some time, energy saving is displayed. When in energy saving mode, a few seconds elapse before the first coffee, cappuccino or milk-based coffee is delivered, as the appliance must heat up again. To prepare any drink, press any icon to exit energy saving. Then press the icon corresponding to the drink you want to make.